guys, so obviously I have been doing speed reviews at the end of the month lately, but why do I feel like I look weird? Do I look weird? I don't know, I feel like I look a bit weird. Anyway, whatever. I've been doing speed reviews at the end of the month lately, but today, because we're trying out so many new products in July, we're gonna have to break it up into two parts. So, this is everything that I've tried in the first 2 weeks of July, and this is going to be like speed reviews, July part 1, and then like at the end of the month we'll do part 2. So we're just going to get straight into it. Okay, so the first thing is this P. Louise Regret Remover. How massive is this? This is the Shimmer Body Wash. It's super, super cute. This is an 800ml body wash. It's crazy. I've been through one of these before. It wasn't the shimmer one, it was just the normal one. It smells really, really nice. I don't know what scent it is. It kind of just smells like fresh. I feel like it's quite unisex. But yeah, I don't know. I really quite like it. And it's got little shimmers all through it. And it looks like a little detergent bottle. Like, you know, laundry detergent kind of thing. And I just think it's the cutest thing ever. And yeah, love that. I also tried out the Melt Away 2020 cleansing balm. They still have these, except like they're just called the Melt Away whatever. This smells so good. Like I could literally eat the whole tub. I don't know what it smells like, but it just smells incredible. And it does a really great job of melting my makeup off, so I'm really, really happy with that. I've been trying some cleansing oils and stuff, just because, you know, I'm using stuff up this year or whatever, and I haven't been loving them as much as what I do love a cleansing balm. I love the Clinique one, and I feel like this is going to become a close second. So I tried out this Glam Glow Super Smooth Blemish Clearing 5-minute mask to scrub. I didn't mind it. I feel like it kind of burnt my skin a little bit. Like it didn't like leave anything after it, but like when it was on it just hurt a little bit, like stung. Just mainly through this bit. So I don't know what happened there. It also smells like licorice, I think. Oh, maybe not. Yeah, I feel like it's got like a little bit of like a, I don't know, a kind of strong scent of something. But I feel like, you know, like it did do a good job of kind of like making my skin feel clean. I feel like it's just a little bit abrasive and a little bit harsh. So this is something that I'm only going to use maybe, you know, once a week or, you know, not quite regularly. So yeah, it does tell you to only use it 1 to 2 times a week. So anyway, used the Rain On Me water spray. This is Peachy Pisces, but I'm pretty sure I actually tried out the orange one. I can't remember, but I tried out one of these water sprays. I've used all of them now and I really like them. I think they're nice. They just feel really nice on the skin and they've all got nice subtle scents. There's an orange, a lime, and then the peach one. And yeah, I just think they're quite cute. I love the packaging of them. Yeah, they just feel nice on the skin. I tried out the Care Bears and She Glam blush. This is what I'm actually wearing today. I really liked this blush. It was a really pretty colour. It's really buildable, which is nice, goes on quite sheer and then you can build it up. And yeah, packaging, super cute. This is in Fabulous. That's the shade of that one. I tried out the Bath & Body Works Snowy Citrus Swell Ultra Shea Body Cream. I love the Bath & Body Works body creams. They feel really nice and they sink into the skin really nicely. And they smell so good. This one is no exception. It smells incredible. I tried out this for the first time. This is the Spa Carethy. It's like meant to be like apothecary, but it's like Spa Carethy. This, anyway, that's the brand. This is in Peach Raspberry Glowing Body Scrub, and it has vitamin C and green tea. I got this from TK Maxx, and oh my god, it smells so good. Yeah, it smells so good. And I feel like it's quite a nice size. It's got like a lot of product in it. It is quite abrasive, so I feel like once again this is probably something that you'd use maybe like once a week, but I did really like it. It made my skin feel really nice. I also tried out the Lush Toil and Trouble shower scrub, which I have honestly actually used before. We've gone through one of these before and I do really love this. Oh, it smells so good. I don't know what it is. Is it like lavender? Yeah, lavender and peppermint. Yum. And it's also got little jelly bats in it, which I don't want to pull out and show you because then I'm going to have that on my hand. I tried this out. This is the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. I think I liked this one. I can't remember. I only used this the other day. Yeah, I feel like it was quite nice on the skin actually, and like it's like what it says, it's quite gentle, so Yep, I don't know, there's like not a whole lot to say about it. Like, it was nice. I tried this out. This is the Bath and Body Works Peach Prosciutto Macaron, and I thought this was going to smell incredible, but like, it does smell nice, but I don't know, I feel like it'd smell better as a candle. Like, I don't know, like, it is nice. I just thought that it's got like a bit of a weird like after scent, similar to that one at Bath and Body Works. It was like the pumpkin, whatever it was, the pumpkin one, pumpkin marshmallow latte or something. I loved it as a candle but didn't love it as a body scrub or body lotion. I think this is kind of the same. Like, the first sniff smells really nice, and then there's something in it that just isn't that nice. I don't know what it is, but anyway. I used this little Hello Kitty and Colourpop lippy scrub in Pineapple Pop. It's super cute, and it smelled really, really, really nice. Yum. Literally smells like a lolly or something. And yeah, it felt really nice on the lips. I don't think they... Yeah, this collab isn't around anymore, but... this is the Gummy Bear Shower Jelly. This came out at Lush maybe like last year, I think. And I think it was for like Easter or something. This smells absolutely incredible. What does it say? I don't think it says what scent it is. It says softening glycerin, creamy coconut milk, and nutritious carrageenan extract make this a completely vegan and skin-friendly jelly. Tell me what the scent is! I don't know, it smells so good though, like I could literally eat it. It's really like kind of like orangey, but like sweet. I don't know what it is, but it smells absolutely incredible. I'm so sad that this is limited edition, but I tried out these two. These are the P. Louise. These are both the Banoffee Pie scent. We have the Stay Shining Lip Oil and the... What is this? Oh, and the lip conditioner. They're a lot more banana-y than what they are like caramel, so... Oh, no, actually, there is a little tint of like a caramel in there. Banana, you can smell the banana very strong, and then it's not just straight banana, though. There is like a little hint of the caramel in it. They smell really, really nice, so super yummy. So yeah, I like these. And I've tried these out before, but just not this scent. So I've actually used up a whole one of these lip conditioners, which I feel like is saying something, because I do find that I have to reapply the lip conditioner a lot though. But I don't know, my lips are really dry, so it could just be me. But yeah, I do like those little duos. I also tried out the, I don't know how to say it. I think it's Archive by Adam Reed. This is the Crown Scalp Scrub. I do like it, I think. This smells like aniseed as well. And it's got that thing where when you're in the shower and all the steam hits it, it makes your eyes like hurt. Like water and I don't know. But yeah, it's alright. Like, I feel like it's very subtle scrub. Like, it's not super scrubby like the other ones that, like the Briogeo one and the... What was the other one I used? The Christopher Robin or something it was called. Like, I feel like I liked those more. I do like it. It's okay. I probably wouldn't repurchase it just because I feel like I need something more scrubby, you know? It says that it has... It says a healthy scalp is the key to unlocking healthier locks. This incredible scrub mixes a blend of oils, fruit enzymes, menthol to awaken your scalp, and caffeine to help encourage optimal scalp health. Smells like future bloom. And it says like that it tingles, and I think that's what I'm saying when like it makes my eyes kind of water. So like, I do like it. I'll continue to use it. I feel like there's a lot of product in here. It's alright. It's just not my favourite. This is the Care Bears and She Glam palette, which I am using today. I did a full review on this, but it's not for me. The colour story, I just don't find it very cohesive. I like a bit more pigmented shadows. Like, they're nice and they obviously show up on the eye and stuff, but they're still more subtle, and I like something that's a little bit more pigmented. And yeah, I just feel like the colour story is just not really like cohesive. Like, it's very random and doesn't really make a whole lot of sense to me. But the packaging is so cute, and I feel like this could be perfect for someone who likes more subtle makeup. I tried out this little trio of lip products also from that collection. I used this one on the lips. This was Get Your Shine On. This was the lip gloss, and then there's two liquid lipsticks. These aren't really like my shade I don't love them. This was alright, like it was pretty. It was just a pretty standard gloss. I feel like the little pouch that comes in is super cute. But yeah, I feel like, you know, they're pretty standard lip products. I tried out the Colourpop It's a Mood palette. I actually really liked this. I think this palette is stunning. There is so many beautiful shades in here. I did a whole dedicated review on it if you want to go and check it out. It was a really weird formula for Colourpop. I feel like it was super pigmented. Almost too pigmented. Yeah, I love this palette. I think it's gorgeous. It's such a shame they don't sell it anymore. But I tried out these P. Louise brushes. They're not in here anymore because they're dirty. But this was the Babe You're Cut Above the Rest little brush trio. It had 3 like brushes in it for like cut creases and things. I liked them. I like my P. Louise brushes. I think they're really nice, and I feel like this is such a cute little set. It's a little pizza cutter. So cute. Love the design. I tried this out and I didn't really like it. This is Peaches and Cream, the Cleopatra eyeliner. Like, it was nice. It just does not blend. Like, I just could not get it to like smudge, and I don't know why. Maybe I left it too long. But yeah, I just didn't really get along with it. So I might try it again. I might not. I don't know. But I never seem to know how to get along with those kind of like more like these kind of eyeliners. I don't get it. If anyone knows, please tell me. I tried out these beauty ones from e.l.f. and I absolutely adore them. These are the Halo Glow beauty ones. I have the blush, highlight and contour here. My contour is in light medium, the blush is in candlelit, and the highlight is in champagne. These just blend beautifully. They look so nice on the skin. I just love these. These were a total win for me this month so far. Absolutely love them. Tried out some polishes from Nails by Dev. These two I used in a review if you want to go watch it. These are from the Nails from the Crypt collection in Hi, I'm Chucky and Afterlife. We have this beautiful like red shade. This is called Hi, I'm Chucky. And then we have this beautiful green shade in Afterlife. Love those. And then I also use this shade called Bare It All. This is also from Nails by Dev. So yeah, love those. I love my Nails by Dev polishes. I think they're amazing. I tried these lashes from P. Louise. These are Foxy Flicks. Like, that's the style they're in. Loved these. I thought these were beautiful. After I used these, I was like, you know, packed up my filming room or whatever, and I was like just chilling. I don't know what I was doing. I was on my computer out in the lounge room, and then like I looked down on the ground and saw a lash, and I was like, what the hell? So I brought it back in here. And then I noticed that I was missing these lashes. And then obviously the one that I picked up on the ground was one of these. And I was like, where the hell is the other one? I could not find it anywhere in my studio. And then I went back out and it was on the lounge room floor. So I don't know how I managed to get both of those lashes out on the lounge room floor. But either way, I'm glad that I found them because I would have been devastated because I really like these. I think they're beautiful. This is the Fall in Line liner. I like these. I do. They're so pigmented and nice, but they're just so weird. Like, I don't know what the go is with these. I feel like they're really temperamental in the fact of, like, in the thing of, like, they are really watery and stuff, but on the eyes they're stunning and so easy to work with. So, I don't even care. I love them. I tried out this P. Louise and Mitchell base in Acid Rain. Sorry, in Blank Canvas. They came out with these years ago, and I don't know what the difference between this and a base is, but I really like this. It looked really nice on my eyes and worked as well as my base. So I used the CEO Get Yourself in Check palette from P. Louise. I loved this. It was stunning. This is such a beautiful palette. And obviously very neutral. We are going on our holiday. We're going to 3 different states in Australia in September, and I feel like I want to take this because I feel like this is a beautiful everyday palette. So aesthetically pleasing, and I love the little lights on the mirror. I filmed a like in-depth eye look using that one. So if you want to go watch that, it's up on the channel. Another win for me this month, the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. I love this. It's so stunning. Mine is in the shade Fair. Yeah, I did a whole dedicated video on that. Just go and watch it because I love this and it makes me feel really pretty when I wear it. I tried out this blush from Made by Mitchell. This is in the shade Cherry Cola. It's actually really stunning. I loved this shade. I don't know, it's quite unique. I feel like I don't really have anything like it. That's the shade there. And it blended out beautifully. And yeah, it's quite a nice product. The Power Grip Primer from e.l.f. Love, another win for me this month. I think it's so nice. And yep, just Love it. I tried out this gloss. This is the Panna Cotta gloss from Colourpop. It's a really nice colour. It's just very like neutral, nudie kind of colour. I need a bit of a... If you put too much on, I don't like it because it's like a bit orangey. But if I sheer it out, I like it because it just gives a nice kind of sheen to my lips, you know? Tried out this NYX Smooth Lip Matte Lip Cream in Teddy Fluff. I like the formula, I just don't know if this is my colour. Oh, actually it looks nice. Well, anyway, I feel like when I tried it on, maybe it just didn't match the eye look I was wearing or something, because I feel like it didn't match me that well. I don't know. I actually really liked this. I was really pleasantly surprised. This is the Lancome, I think it's called Idol Lash. I feel like I'm saying that wrong. But I actually really liked this. I thought it did a really nice job of making my lashes look really separated and volumous and they volumized? I don't know, whatever. I thought it was a really nice mascara. Liked it. It's got a really weird wand, but I like it. Tried out these two halo glows from XO Beauty. Sorry, no, eye halos from XO Beauty in Toast and Stella. These are beautiful. I love these. I think they're a really nice formula, and they're really, really pretty on the eyes. I tried out this highlighting puff from Shea Glam and Care Bears. This is a no for me. I don't actually know what I'm going to do with it. It's not for me at all. And I tried out the little eyeliner from the Care Bears and Shea Glam. This one is Sweet Wishes. No, it's not. This is Sweet as Sugar, and it's the purple shade. It's actually the one that I'm wearing on my eyes. It's really pigmented and it looks nice on the eyes, but it's a little bit hard to work with. Hard to get it like super precise, and also hard to... It's not very smooth on the eyes, but it's pigmented, so I don't know. And the last thing we tried out was the Colourpop and Mandalorian palette. How cute! This is the child palette. So cute, you know that I love my greens. And yeah, I liked this palette. It was really nice. You guys know that I love Colourpop shadows, so that was the first few weeks of July, guys. And I'm nowhere close to making my goal of the month of trying half these products, so I'm going to keep pushing forward. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!